Welcome to our YouTube class on human circulatory system. The human circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, is a complex network responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, gases, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis by regulating temperature, pH, and fluid balance. The circulatory system comprises the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Components of the circulatory system. Heart. Structure. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, located slightly left of the center of the chest. It is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side of the heart deals with deoxygenated blood, while the left side handles oxygenated blood. Function. The heart functions as a pump to move blood through the circulatory system. It operates in a cycle of contraction and relaxation, ensuring continuous blood flow. Blood vessels. Arteries. These thick-walled vessels carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body. The largest artery is the aorta. Arterioles. Smaller branches of arteries that lead to capillaries. Capillaries. Tiny blood vessels where the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste occurs between blood and tissues. Venules. Small vessels that collect deoxygenated blood from capillaries and transfer it to veins. Veins. These vessels carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The largest veins are the superior and inferior vena cava. Blood. Plasma. The liquid component of blood, comprising about 55% of its volume. It contains water, electrolytes, proteins, hormones, and waste products. Red blood cells. These cells contain hemoglobin, which binds oxygen in the lungs and releases it to tissues. White blood cells. Part of the immune system, these cells defend against infections and foreign invaders. Platelets. Cell fragments involved in blood clotting and wound repair. Circulatory pathways. The circulatory system operates in 2 main pathways, the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Function. This pathway transports deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Process. Blood enters the right atrium from the body via the superior and inferior vena cava. It moves into the right ventricle, which pumps it through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. In the lungs, blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs oxygen. Oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium via the pulmonary veins. Systemic circulation. Function. This pathway delivers oxygen-rich blood from the left side of the heart to all body tissues and returns deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Process. Oxygenated blood from the left atrium enters the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps blood into the aorta, which distributes it to the body through arteries. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues and collects carbon dioxide and waste products. Deoxygenated blood returns to the right atrium via the veins. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle refers to the sequence of events that occur as the heart beats, including systole, which is the contraction, and diastole, which is the relaxation. Atrial systole. The atria contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. Ventricular systole. The ventricles contract, sending blood into the pulmonary artery and the aorta. Diastole. The heart relaxes, allowing the chambers to fill with blood from the veins. Regulation of the circulatory system. The circulatory system is regulated by the autonomic nervous system and various hormones. Autonomic nervous system. The ANS controls the heart rate and the diameter of blood vessels. The sympathetic nervous system increases heart rate and blood pressure, while the parasympathetic nervous system decreases them. Hormones. Hormones like adrenaline, released during stress, increase heart rate and blood pressure. Other hormones, such as atrial natriuretic peptide, help regulate blood volume and pressure by affecting kidney function. Common disorders of the circulatory system. Hypertension. A condition where the force of the blood against the artery walls is too high. increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Atherosclerosis, the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries, leading to reduced blood flow and potential heart attacks or strokes. Heart attack occurs when blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked, usually by a blood clot, leading to damage or death of heart muscle. Stroke, a condition where blood flow to the brain is interrupted, leading to brain damage. It can be caused by a clot or bleeding. Heart failure, a condition where the heart cannot pump enough blood to meet the body's need, leading to fatigue, shortness of breath, and fluid buildup. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.